Prime Minister Andrew Holness recently declared that Jamaica is prepared to give support to restore stability and peace in Haiti. Joining us now to discuss this are a member of the Commission for the Search for a Haitian Solution to the Crisis, Monique Kleska, and former Commissioner of Police and former JDF Chief of Staff, Rear Admiral Harley Lewin. Good morning to you both, and welcome to Smile Jamaica.
Good morning. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much for joining us. Rear Admiral, I'm going to start with you. In my memory, this would not have been the first time that Caribbean troops, including Jamaica, would have said, you know, there is unrest and we have to give support. This isn't something that's new to us, is it?
We participated before in UN missions, but before we talk about support, I think we need to make it very clear that the problems in Haiti has to be solved by the Haitian representatives who represent the people of Haiti. So it's not a question of sending troops storming over the beach. It's not going to happen. The question is, what do the Haitian representatives want? And if you remember what the Prime Minister said, he made 2 points, which I would want to reiterate to frame the background to the discussion. One, he expressed in the Parliament a willingness for Jamaica to participate in any multinational efforts to stabilize the security situation in Haiti. Just expression of a willingness. And secondly, he offered Jamaica as a venue for the various groups that would have to sit down to formulate, to negotiate, formulate, and plan a way forward for Haiti. That has to happen before, and it is they who have to determine what it is they need from CARICOM, other countries, what help they need, because the problems of Haiti is going to have to be solved by the Haitians themselves, with help, as they determine from outside.
Yeah.
And that, to me, is the crux of the whole situation.
All right, thank you very much. Monique, I want to bring you in here because one of the things he's saying, the problem has to be solved, but Haiti has been so impacted by, I think, global issues for so long. What is the status of what's happening on the ground?
Well, there are several things that are happening on the ground. In terms of the security situation, it is horrific. There is mass hunger, there are gang rapes, there are kidnappings for ransom. So the security situation is extremely difficult. But the political situation also is extremely horrific also, because we have a government that is not legal, it is illegitimate. We do not have any elected officials at all in the country. So it is a huge problem in terms of who can speak for the Haitian people. So in the commission that I am in, one of the things that we had done was really try to get some consensus around what could be done, what people agreed to. And what we had come up with was an accord called the Montana Accord that stipulates that we could have a transition of 2 years. And within that transition of 2 years, you could level the playing field, because there is a criminal regime that is in power. And it has been shown that it is in cahoots with the gangs. The political and economic leaders of Haiti finance the gangs, work with the gangs. The gangs are like their proxy. So yes, we believe that a solution to our problems must come from us. But one of the things that I had noted that the Prime Minister had said, he had talked about a sustainable solution. And this is what is extremely important to us, to make sure that it is not, okay, quickly, troops come in, you do an election, etc. But no, it has to be a solution so we don't come back to those same problems again immediately or within 1 year or within 2 years.
You made mention just now of, you say, a criminal regime forming essentially the administration of the country at the moment. Is there going to be a negotiated way out, or do you think it may come to something a little harsher than that?
We had hoped that there would be a negotiated way out. As a matter of fact, we have been in contact. CARICOM, as a matter of fact, reached out to us to see if we were open to negotiations. And they said that Jamaica, as Prime Minister Holness said, could be a host country. They had mentioned Bahamas also, and could be a host country so that the different stakeholders in Haiti could come to the table. So there is the Montana Accord, that's called the Montana Group sometimes. There are also political parties that are not party to the 21st of December Accord. And then there is the December 21st Accord that has just installed a high council of transition that we are not in agreement with, and that the major political parties in the last election are also not in agreement with. So we were waiting for CARICOM to come back to us to tell us we are ready to do this. And what we had done also, we had written to every head of state in CARICOM to tell them that we were formally willing and waiting for that meeting that they had promised. We have not heard from them, and we are waiting to hear from them. We believe that the Haitian population deserves this, because there is a lot of suffering right now on the ground from hunger. You have displaced populations. You have a lot of women and girls who have been gang raped. You have a kidnapping every day. There are 4, 5, sometimes 10 kidnappings. So it is a horrific population. Yeah. It is a terrorized population now.
Quick one for you, Rear Admiral Hardley Lewin. You're thinking of our troops participating in a multinational support for the Haitians. How might that impact, our troops on the ground here in Jamaica, just in case we've got an emergency of some sort?
Yes, we keep mentioning the troops, and I'm going to answer your question. First of all, I don't think it's going to have any impact at all.
Okay.
It depends how we posture. It depends how many people we send there. However, let me say this. Whilst we emphasize and we keep talking about troops, we have many other areas that we can be of assistance. We have been of assistance before in the conduct of the elections with equipment. Haiti has a problem with cholera. There could be public health assistance, clean water, engineering. So I do not think you're going to see a strict military kind of thing, but the military has some of these skills. Then there's a matter of training. Well, there's a language issue in the training, so you would need probably French speakers would be better poised for that. But I don't want to downplay the security aspect, but we have to look beyond that.
Okay. All right. Want to thank you both.
Yeah, we've got to run from this one. But thank you so much, former Commissioner and former JDF Chief of Staff, Rear Admiral Hardley Lewin, and a member of the Commission for the Search for a Haitian Solution to the Crisis, Monique Kleska.
And thank you for the solidarity.
Thank you, guys. Stick around. We'll be discussing efforts for suicide prevention in schools with evangelist Dr. Michelle Richards after this.